The Weston Knot is a sliding knot that can be used for trocar site closures, fixing the mesh in laparoscopic hernia repair, and making extracorporeal knots when intracorporeal knots are hard to do because of close instrument placement. The Weston Knot is done with both ends of the suture coming out the trocar or small skin incision. And that's it. Now we'll slow it down and do it step by step. First, the free end is looped around the thumb and held with the index and middle finger. The free end is pushed through the loop and grasped by the other hand. This is the path of the free end, but it is easier to reverse the path with the index and middle finger and pull the free end through. The free end is pushed through the loop. This is done by holding the loop with the free hand, then pinching the free end with the thumb and index finger and pushing it through. Finally, pull on the free end to make the knot smaller, but not tight as it will lock it. Pull on the other end to slide the knot. Here it is, one more time. Thanks for watching.